11 lakh rupees is the average salary of an AI graduate. And do you know how many of them are unemployed? Zero. Yes, right now, AI is one of the hottest buzzwords in the tech sphere, and according to industry experts, it is going to rule the tech industry in the upcoming years. You might have already experienced in your phone's Face ID, social media feed, recommendations, Netflix movie suggestions, and email spam filters. From small palm devices to automatic plane pilots, AI is everywhere. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can be at the forefront of this technological disruption. Hi, I am Tanu and welcome to Inside AIML, India's most advanced AI learners community. But before we begin, let's understand what is AI. AI is the science that empowers computers to mimic human intelligence such as decision making, reasoning, text processing, and visual perception. AI entails several subfields like machine learning, robotics, computer vision, data science, deep learning, neural networks, text processing, image processing, and more. So, to make your career in AI, you need to know all these subfields thoroughly. Plus, you also need to know a couple of programming languages, especially Python. AI is one of the most advanced technologies in the world, so it is bound to be a bit difficult. But does that mean only IT engineers and software developers can do it? No. Anyone with the right guidance and good dedication can achieve sufficient knowledge and can get a decent job within 6 months in the field of AI. One platform which is helping aspirants to transition their careers in the field of AI from the past 10 years is Inside AIML. It is India's only platform that provides free code support and direct recruitment via its website. It's an initiative undertaken by a few IITians to build a strong AI community in India, which will, in the coming years, rule the AI industry and produce millions of jobs for Indians. Inside AIML focuses on 3 core domains and has weaved its expertise in 3 different career transformation programs: machine learning with Python and statistics, masters in data science, and a comprehensive masters in artificial intelligence programs. During these programs, students will learn end-to-end machine learning with statistics, basic and advanced Python, frameworks, real-value data science concepts, detailed and comprehensive deep learning concepts, the Django web framework, Power BI, OpenCV, Tableau, and a lot more. Not just this, all these concepts are coupled with mega and mini live projects for a hands-on learning experience. Students in their journey are exposed to 20 plus industry-oriented projects and 1 client project so they can be best prepared for real-world challenges. With its solid pedigree in IIT, it might be the only course that provides 100% job assistance and even 100% job placement in some cases. With live sessions, 20 plus projects, 6 months internship, IBM certification, free code support, interview preparation, and a lot more. Inside AIML is one of the best platforms to dive into the world of artificial intelligence. In the early 1900s, when people who could not upskill and adopt with the Industrial Revolution got fired, the same trend was followed in the 90s and 20s when computer and automation started replacing human resources. Artificial intelligence is going to bring the same change in the future, so now is the right time to learn the nuances AI has in its bucket. Interested to know more? Visit our website insideaml.com. The link is mentioned in the description box below, or you can even call us on the number given below. And don't worry, the cost of the program is way less than your imaginative figure. I'll see you next time. Bye.